In social care, every penny matters. Time spent on expense admin is time taken away from care. This is where Soldo can make a difference. Adopted by care homes, charities and social care organisations, Soldo simplifies spend management so you can focus on what truly matters. Say goodbye to cash on site and tedious spreadsheets. With Soldo, staff get secure cards, you get full visibility, and every transaction is tracked in real time. Easily manage individual service user funds, control budgets by care home or team, and ensure compliance with automated expense reporting. Staff can snap receipts on the go using the mobile app, and finance teams enjoy faster month-end reconciliation. One organisation even saved 92% of the time previously spent on credit card reconciliation, with another saving 160 hours a week on admin by care staff. Care groups across the UK and Ireland trust Soldo to reduce admin, cut reconciliation time, and bring control to every corner of their finances. Soldo. Liberate finance, accomplish more.